When someone is charged with a white-collar crime in Texas, their stress level is usually through the roof. White-collar crimes, we're talking about money crimes. And usually there's a lot that's been involved there. And this isn't just affecting them, this is affecting their family, their livelihood often, because if we're talking about money crimes, often this is some portion or some facet of their livelihood. It's important that you have an attorney that understands white-collar crimes. Forensic analysis, accounting documents is a very specific ability that not any defense attorney can do. So you want to make sure that you have somebody who has done this, can do this, and be able to explain that to you to be able to lower those stress levels so you know that you can get to the other side of this. Someone is charged with a white-collar crime in Texas. Probably the biggest mistake that they can do is start interacting with law enforcement or an investigation in any way without having an attorney. This is not because you're trying to hide things. This is because you're trying to protect your rights. You have a long list of rights to be able to protect you. It is the state's burden to attempt to prove any charge against you. But it's very easy to waive those rights or to open doors without having an attorney there to protect you in how any kind of investigation goes. Remember that when the police are speaking with you, and this is not because they're bad police officers, like I've said, it's because they're trained to have a suspicion and be collecting evidence to support that suspicion. Because they're specifically going after any evidence that to support that suspicion, they're not looking for evidence to find you innocent. So having a defense attorney there to be able to guide and understand the investigative process for you is invaluable. It's the number one thing that people do that is a mistake. You need an attorney as quickly as possible and someone who has experience with traversing that minefield. If you've been charged with a white-collar crime, please call Deandra Grant Law. We provide free consultations and we have the experience and the expertise to be able to provide you with the information you need so that we can protect you as you move through this process.